The Unicraft PHW 2508, comfortable to operate, robust and maneuverable. The torsion-resistant steel frame and the ergonomic drawbar provide stability and comfort. The hydraulic pump features a larger piston than many comparable pallet trucks. As a result, fewer strokes are needed, noticeably improving ergonomics. The lowering speed can be adjusted steplessly. An additional foot release lever allows for flexible lowering of loaded pallets. Extra quiet aluminum steering wheels with solid rubber treads and tandem fork rollers made of polyurethane ensure easy maneuvering even with heavy loads. Robust ball bearings in all wheels guarantee smooth operation. Entry rollers make it easier to pick up pallets. The ergonomically shaped handle with comfortable rubber coating further increases operating comfort. The primary focus remains centered on ergonomic, fatigue-free working conditions throughout the entire working day. Heavy loads can be transported comfortably.